sixth tooth coming in.
You got another tooth from coming in, huh? You got another tooth from coming in?
Want to do it again? Oh. Stand. You can stand by yourself. Go ahead. Sure, go ahead and stand. No? Okay. Okay. There.
Because that's how I want to stand up.
Well, she'll stand like without holding anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dada. Because where'd you go, Ma? You're supposed to be here with me.
Or you can get by yourself. Oh, she likes to go through the recycling.
Alright.